How to make a GoDaddy website mobile friendly. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to make your website that you have created on GoDaddy Website Builder mobile friendly. We're going to head over to godaddy.com, then we're going to sign in into your account and visit our products. From here we are going basically to visit the website or choose one of the websites that we want to put the process for. So maybe I'm going to use this one, and this is going to be beginning from here. What we're going to do basically is to make sure that on the dashboard, we're going to either insert the logo first, or we can go ahead and head over the editor. Now, after that, you're going to make sure that you're going to open up the editor, and then we're going to put all the steps that we need. So only the specific sections that has been implemented into the GoDaddy website builder are going to be sophisticated for both a desktop and also mobile version. So here it is going to be not a problem with the adaptation of the section, but it is going to be only a heaviness of the website. That means if it is going to be a little bit, let's say, too long charging or too long for refreshing the website or having the content implemented into your or showcasing into your mobile, that means that it is going to be a question or a matter of a size or the picture sizing. Why? Basically, it is going to mean that you have some heavy pictures or heavy files that has been implemented, like the heavy logos, but you're not going to get some heavy logos in here or icons because GoDaddy has took this to the matter and they have implemented their own SVG logos or icons in here. Also for the pictures, it is going to be very, let's say, adaptive pictures that you're going to find in here, and you're not going to get a lot of problems. So aside from the heaviness of the pictures or the system, I'm going to let you see how we can visualize the mobile version of that specific website. So after you have published the website, you're going to head over the previewer, click on preview, and you're going to see the two versions in here. We have the desktop version and we have the mobile version or the mobile view. So you're going to see that it is going to be nearly the same as the specific, let's say here, desktop version. Only we have some of the images that are going to be a little bit zoomed in or zoomed out a little bit because they are going to be only for the purpose of the desktop. So it doesn't matter a lot in here. So you're not going to be forced to do that or change the pictures. So as you can see, we are going to visualize the sections and see which section is going to cause a problem or which section has a, let's say here, an excessive amount of words. For example, as you can see in this one, in this section, we have a lot of words. For example, you can see that we have 4 lines, which is going to represent 4 words or more. So we need only to modify that word, or let's say here, we're going to change the format of it. So we are going to click on edit site. We're going to find here the problem, which is going to be this one. I'm going to select the text, put the style of it, maybe style 4, and we're going to see. So I'm going to change the color of it. It was green, I think, and we are going to put it like that. Now we are going to click on preview and see if the problem is solved. So we are going to scroll down, and as you can see, we still have 4 lines, but it is not that bad. But we can go ahead and put something better. So we are going to basically here resume the words. So let's see here, we are going to remove the necessary words that we do not need, and we are going to preview that in here. So we are going to put the eye of this one. So I think that this is better. So we can go ahead and have these, and we're going to put it just like that. Now for the alignment and also the words putting, you can go ahead and have maybe some of the sections that you're going to find into your website could be aligned to the middle, to the right, or to the left. For example, for the buttons, like this button, we cannot align it to any place, but we can go ahead and put the text into another place. It is going to be aligned to the middle of the button, but it is going to follow, as you can see here, the specific words or let's say section or the block that it is going to be implemented in. So we are going to scroll down and we are going to see the button. It is going to take place to the middle, and this is better. So I think that you've got the idea on how we can set up the things. If you're going to change an image, you can go ahead and click on the image, and then you can go ahead and change the cover image. I don't know here, this image, we are going to click on it and you're going to make it maybe compress it into other websites, and then we are going to implement it with a little bit of a low quality, but it doesn't matter a lot since we are going to focus on the performance of the website on the mobiles. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.